Hi viewers, next we have to discuss about the isometric views in AutoCAD. Today we are discussing about how to draw this structure in simple way. Just keep the structure aside. Okay, here first of all we have to take a line. Just take a one point from here to here. It is 30 degrees, it will be 38. Just click on enter. Here I want to draw 90 degrees. It is how much? It is 30. Why? Because here our dia is 30, the total height will be 30. Okay, and here we have to change the direction also. Keep the view in 30 degrees. Here this is also 30. Just click on enter and again change the direction as 90 degrees, perfect perpendicular to the line. Okay, it will be also 30. Just click on enter and again we have to connect the initial point like this. Okay, just escape it. Here we have to draw a ellipse. EL enter. Here we have the option of isocircle. Just click on it. Here specify the center point of isocircle. This is my isocircle center point. Here we have to mention the dia. How much our dia is 30. Dia or radius as you wish. Here I am to give the radius. Why? Because initially it is specify the radius of isocircle. If you click on diameter, you have to give the dia. Okay, I want to trim these unwanted lines. Just click on escape. Here I want to copy this. Copy this all. Just select the copy. Take up one fixed point. It will be distance of 10. Just click on it. Okay, escape. Here it will be 10. The distance will be 10. Okay, next take a line here. Sorry, it will be here we have the point. We have to click on this one like this. Now we want to trim the extra lines like this. Okay, next I want again isocircle in middle of this. Okay, just click on EL enter. Here option of isocircle. Just click the center for this and give the radius as 7.5. Just click on enter. Why? Because the inner circle dia is 15, the radius is 7.5. Now I want to select all this and copy this from this point to this point. Okay, just click on escape. Here also you have to trim the extra lines. Okay, so here I want to take a line. I want to take offset or copy. I want to take copy and select the object and click on enter. Give one base point and it will be also 10. Okay, the line are copied here and trim the extra lines like this. Here again I want to take a line and give a perfect 90 degrees line. Just click on escape. Here I want to trim this line like this. So here from our top bottom portion will be completed and we have to draw this only. So again I want to take a line. Here the distance is 14. Okay, from here to in the same direction just take the distance of 14. Just click on enter and again it will be 10 distance. Just click on enter. After giving 10, take a 150 degrees okay, this is 35. Just click on enter and take a 90 degrees line, change the direction. This is 30 and again I want to change the direction as 30 degrees. Here this is my 30 degrees line. Just click on it. Okay, again I want to take a ellipse here. So just take a EL enter, give the isocircle. Here you have to specify the center for this. Just click on center and give the radius for this. Radius is 50 like this. Here again I want to trim these extra lines and escape it. Again I want to copy this all these up and click on enter and give it as 10 distance. Again take a line. Here I want to connect these lines. Just take it down here and we have to trim the extra lines. Like this. So almost our figure will be completed. Just we have to take a isocircle here. Again I want to take a ellipse, enter, EL enter. Here I want the circle, isocircle. Just click on it and give the center point here and give the radius as 7.5. Just click on enter. Okay, here I want to give a center line for this circle. Just trim this extra line and copy this line. You select it and from this midpoint like this. Again I want to take a horizontal line from here to here. So again I want to copy this. Just take a midpoint as a base point and take a midpoint like this. Just click on escape. So this is our middle lines. I want to change these lines as center lines. So just click this all and here we have the middle option. Here you have to give the center. Here you have to observe the lines are like axis lines. That means middle lines. This is our center lines of this circle. So here we have to give the dimensions for this. I want to take a linear dimension, align dimensions for this. This is linear, this is align. I want to take align dimensions. like this. Again take this, it will be done, and again from here to here it will be 30, and again from here to here it will be also 30. So next I want to take here to here as 14. Again from here to here it will be 35. So for isocircles we have to give the dimensions by using leaders. Here specify the leader point like this. Here if you want to change, you first of all have to give the radius of this circle. Just keep it. Here we have to give two dimensions. One is internal circle and another is external circle. So we have to give the from internal circle to this is here. This radius is how much? 7.5. If you don't want to give a radius, if you give the dia, how to give a dia? Just click percentage C. This is our diameter symbol. Here I want to specify the diameter as 15 for this, and I want to change this. Here we have the option of small arrow mark. Here I want to change the leader format as 4. Here our arrow mark will be increases, and go to leader structure, leader points and content. Here also I want to give the content as 6. Just click on OK. Here set color. Just close it. Here our leader size will be increased, but arrow size is not increased. Go to modify. Okay, we will be noticing next leader. Just take a leader again. Actually the arrow mark is not visible. Here the text is increases. Like this. Next we have to do the outer circle, outer ellipse dimensions. So if you drag this, the arrow mark will be appears like this. So here, according to the outer circle, here the only the inner circle it will be 7.5. Here the outer circle according to the center point it will be radius of 15, like this. I want to copy this. So it will be here. Okay. We mentioning it in one side, it will be similar to these three. Okay. So our isometric drawing will be completed. Thank you.